Hey, it's night time. We should go home. This is a creepy zone. Yeah. And plus, we're gonna see our friends there. Yeah. They should be here soon. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna go inside. I'm kind of creeped out. I don't really like dark. Okay. Oh, no, I have to stay with somebody. The strange noises we've been hearing. I just don't really like them. Yeah, okay. It should be coming soon. Okay. Alright, dog. It's been 2 hours. I'm gonna go inside. You should come in too. Okay. I think this is creepy. Why are you coming through the window? I don't want to be left alone. Ugh. That train was rude. I know. Hey, they said they were gonna wait outside. Maybe they got tired of waiting. I guess let's go in. Oh, sorry. No, you're fine. There's this strange noise in here. Oh, it's you guys. Ow. Oh. So, how was your date together? Good, I mean, didn't go bad. Ow, sorry. Hey, girl. Hey. Come on inside. Oh, are you okay? Yeah. Hey, you guys, just turn on the light. I'll do it. There. Okay, that's way better. Yeah, couldn't really see it dark. Oh my gosh, nobody went with you? No. Why? You scared? Nothing's bad gonna happen, I swear. You want to tell her, or do you want me to tell her? I'm too scared. You tell her. We've been hearing strange noises outside and inside, everywhere. Oh. Me and her sleep in separate rooms. Because no, we're just friends. We're not girlfriend and boyfriend. But she says she's been hearing noises in the computer room. I have, and you can't deny it. Yeah, I know. I heard it too. I'm so scared. It's okay though. We all should just sleep in the same rooms. I'm gonna go. Dude, I'll check the computer room. Hey, dude. it's not so bad. Do you want to play some Fortnite? It's working really good. My game crashed on Fortnite, so someone said I'm coming for you. Oh my gosh. Yeah, right. I bet it's a prank to creep us out. What a YouTuber. That's what we do. I'm not alone. I'm not playing Fortnite again. Says game crashed. I'm coming for you. Holy, no. I'd rather stay away from that computer. What? I heard I'm coming for you, but prank. Yeah. We can go home now. Oh my dog. Keep your tail over here. We're not leaving till this party is over. Ow! Oh. I'm gonna go to the store. Stay here. If anything, we're here together. Oh. Dang, you need to brush your hair. You're not gonna seriously do this again. Your hair is tingly. Oh my god, stop. My hair is not tingly. It's perfect. Just like it. My hair is perfect too. You don't have any hair. I have fur. He has hair and fur. You have fur and hair. You have fur and hair. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Oh. Ow! You know what? Huh? What was that? Did you guys hear that? What? It was like a strange bang. I'll go up there. Dude, nothing's here. I didn't. Dude, what's wrong? I don't know. I felt like I fell. Oh, dog, that hurt. Dude, you okay? Yeah, no, I'm fine. Okay. Hope you're enjoying. What is that sound?